We are back on the ranch, and as you can see, it is cold. It's cold, but the sun is a shining, and it is time to do this project. I say that, how many years will it take? That's the real question. Right now, starting with the basics. You know, get a vacuum out here, clean some of this crap up, get some identification. I think it's a 25, 1925, but no one knows for sure just yet. We got one guy told the owner that it was a president, but I've never seen a president with these wooden wheels, like these spoked wheels on it. I think this is more of like a commander. Don't even know where to look for any numbers on it. Don't even think they would help me necessarily. Probably going to be more body style, particular features, like the curve of the windows. So yeah, some rat's nest. Yeah, all the wiring's all chewed up too. Not sure how much of that I'll need. Pretty good. Oh, is this hand crank? I don't want to do a hand crank. Looks like that's what that is, though. Does it have an electric starter? I don't know. Alternator. Yeah, there's an electric starter on it. So, first thing I want to do, how is there cow shit up here? What the fuck? Should I even touch that? Probably not. A raccoon or something. Alright, so this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna clean this out, and we're gonna see if we can get this thing started is the first thing we're gonna do. I don't really have much of a clue how to do that. I've never worked on a car this old or anything like it. I know we're gonna need probably some new spark plug wires, maybe some new spark plugs. You know, I'm gonna have to learn about this thing, but I'm gonna clean it up so I can see more what's going on here. Oh, look, there's some numbers. Let's see if that helps. One, 2, 3, 4. Looks like an 8 cylinder engine. So, you know, I've been thinking about the future of the channel, and I want to get a major project going and start doing regular video releases, and I think that this is going to be the project we do it with. A lot of early stuff is just going to be cleaning up, you know, stuff I can do that doesn't require a lot of money because I don't have a lot of money. And, you know, in the process of getting this project going, we'll try to see what kind of interest we can generate, see if we can get some funding going, maybe some Patreon support going, and we'll get started on it. Take a few years. Be a huge learning process for me, that's for sure. That's pretty much it. Next time you see it, it's gonna be cleaned up. I might release some video of me cleaning it up, but who knows if anybody wants to see that. All right, that's gonna be what we're doing today. For today on that. Get on there. You do it. Okay, now you can't say I didn't do anything. That's forward progress right there.